Good morning, Year 3. Welcome to our spelling revision lesson. Today we're going to to revise digraphs, split digraphs, and alternative digraphs. I hope you all know what digraphs are. If you do not, we will be reminding ourselves throughout the lesson today. Okay, you're going to need your whiteboard, and if you have a phase 3 or phase 5 phonics sound map, you can use that as well to guide you. Okay, all of the sounds that we're going to be revising today are in phase 3 or phase 5. Okay, we're going to get started with a game of 5 in 50. I'm going to be putting 50 seconds on the clock. And we're going to play twice today. First 50 seconds is on the clock. There it is. Let's pause that for you. Oh, 49. So the first 50 seconds, I want you to come up with 5 words with the O sound. Not ow as in cow, but O as in bow. There you go. I've given you one. 50 seconds for 5 words. Off you go. Okay, you're halfway now. Halfway. Remember, rhyming is the easiest way to play this game. Once you've got one, what does it rhyme with? Okay, time's up. Stop. Right, I'm going to reset the clock there and leave that to one side. Okay, so O. We're looking at the O words. I gave you one, bow, as in bow and arrow. Okay, there's another one. You could have tow, as in you tow the boat on the back of your car. You could have snow or show or glow or throw. These are all words with the O sound at the end of them. O being spelt with the digraph OW. So B, O, A, R. That's a digraph because it's double. Arrow, T, O, Sn, O, Sh. Okay, so any words that rhyme with these is probably spelt with the OW. You will probably notice that the OW is at the end of each word, which it generally is, except if you are adding a suffix to the end of it, like ing, throwing, then of course it's in the middle. But as a root word, it's generally at the end. Okay, guys, you can give yourselves, if you got 5 words correct, you can give yourself 1 tick, which will be equal to 1 dojo. Right, moving on, year 3. I'm going to put your timer here. Again, it's gone down. So next, I want you to do 5 words. We're going to use the O sound again, but this time we are using the split digraph O. Off you go. 50 seconds, 5 words with the split digraph O. Okay, you should all know how to do a split digraph. You need to put a consonant in the middle here. A consonant needs to go in the middle here. Okay, 10 seconds left. Have you got 5 words? Excellent, and stop. Okay, amazing work, everybody. Right, let's have a look what you got. So again, rhyming is the easiest way to do this. So you could have rope, then you just rhyme it. Slope, nope. You could have rope, slope, nope, cope. And then there's other ones, for example, we could have bone, you could have phone, you could have alone. That means on your own. You are alone. You could have alone rather than alone for a car. Um, you could have stone. Okay. And then we've also got with a L, pole. Um, stole. Okay, once you've got the consonant in the middle, you can rhyme those words. So well done to you if you got 5 of those correct. Again, when we're looking at words like this, it's always good to rhyme them. Anything that rhymes is probably going to be spelt in the same way. Okay, so here you'll notice that the split digraph has the consonant in the middle, in this case P's, N's, L's. So anything with those sounds in them is most likely going to be a split digraph. Okay, give yourself a tick. If you got 5 of those correct, then you can now have earned a maximum of 2 dojos. Right, moving on, everybody. We are talking about digraphs today. A digraph is 2 letters that make one sound. Let me just show you that to remind you. Hello. 2 letters that make one sound. 2 letters make one sound. That is what a digraph is, and it's most important to our spellings today. Okay, so now I'm going to give you 2 more minutes. I want you to spell these words for me. So let me tell you what they are first. Okay, we have a tower. We have the Queen. We have a start line. We have teeth and we have a bone. I am going to put 2 minutes on your clock this time. 2 minutes. And you are going to write for me all 5 of these words. They all have digraphs in them. Lots of them have 2 digraphs, okay? So your 2 minutes has started now. Write the 5 words for me. If you finish writing your 5 words, you can have a little look at your partner's work just to see if they've got the same spelling as you. If you've got a different spelling, you might want to double check, make sure you've used the correct digraph. Okay, just over 30 seconds left. Okay, 10 seconds. Okay, let's have a look at our words, see how we did. Right, our first word here, tower. Here you go, you see the spelling of tower. So T, this is O-W, but instead of making the O sound, it's making the ow. T, ow, usually at the end of a word. Okay, next we have queen. Two digraphs in this one as well. Queen. Two digraphs. If you got queen correct, well done to you. Okay, start. This one has a digraph in the middle. St. There's the digraph art. Start. So if you need to use, if you're not sure how to spell a word that rhymes with start, it probably has this digraph here in it. Okay, next one again, double digraph, teeth. Here we have teeth. E. Two digraphs, the E and the th. And last of all, we have a split digraph here. You might have already got this one. Bone. Okay, when we write bone, own. Bone, okay? If we were to remove the E from bone, it would be bon, and that is the job that the split digraph does. The E on the end, sometimes we call it magic E, changes a short vowel sound to a long vowel sound. So it goes from being bon to bone. That's how a split digraph works. Okay, well done. You did that fabulously in 2 minutes. Now, what I would like you to do, and this is a challenge, I would like you, I'm going to give you just 1 minute because I bet you all did that so fabulously quickly. I'm going to give you all 1 minute on the clock, and I am going to ask you to come up with a new word using the same digraphs. Okay, so for the first one, I want you to write another word with the digraph another word with the digraph qu, a word with the digraph r, a word with the digraph f. Okay, that's the digraph there. Okay, a word with the can be the beginning or the end, and then a word with this split digraph o in it. Okay, so 5 words, one with one with qu, one with r, one with th, and one with o. Okay, 5 words. You've got 1 minute. Off you go. Okay, 30 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds. Okay, your time is up, everybody. Okay, so I hope that you learned from the last slide and that you used some rhyming words. So words with in it. You could have had tower, power. Okay, power rhymes with tower. You could have had mixer. There's lots of words with the word, the sound at the end. Okay, so power, mixer, and then you've got some 2-syllable words. You could have had forever, never, ever. Lots of words ending in er. Okay, if you're unsure about the spelling of your word, please go and check it with your teacher. Okay, for the qu sound, we're starting with qu. So most words have qu at the beginning, like queen, quick, quiet, quickly, quietly, quite, qualified, question, quiz. All of those words with the qu sound have the q and the u making qu. Okay, and with are. This is generally found in the middle of the word. So first of all, rhyming with start, we could have had tart, mart, smart, part, cart. I'm sure you can think of some other words that rhyme with that as well. Okay, with the th sound. So th is often at the beginning of a word, but it can be at the middle or the end of the word. So teeth has it at the end, with has it at the end. Um, in the beginning, we can have this, that, they, then. All of those words have the th sound. In the middle, we have mother, father, together. They all have the th sound in the middle. Okay, and any word that rhymes with bone with the split digraph, let's go back to our previous list. We could have had any of these words, okay, any of those words have the split digraph O in them. So well done to you if you got any of those correct, okay. You can now give yourself one tick if you got all of the original words correct, so tower, queen, start, teeth and bone, and give yourself another tick if you got the alternative words correct. Okay, if you're unsure of any of your spellings, please go and tell your teacher to have a look at them and check if you spelled them correctly. Okay, well done everybody. To finish us off today, we're going to do a quick game called OMG. Okay, to be able to complete this, you need to write 5 words with the O sound, 5 words with the O sound, and 5 words with the O sound. 2 minutes to go. You should have learned some new ones now. So this is your time to try again. Actually, yeah, I think we'll give you 2 minutes for this because you need to write 15 words altogether. So O, O, and O. See if you can find a rule that goes with them as well. Okay, off you go. 2 minutes on the clock. So remember, this is the O sound and not the ow sound like you saw it in tower or power. So it's O, okay, it's the O sound. So remember, we already said about toe and bow, words with the O sound. They have just given you 2. Okay, a split digraph, remember it has to have a consonant in there. Okay, this is one we haven't learned today, but this is an alternative way to make the O sound. Okay, so this is the phase 3 one that you've learned. And both of these, the phase 5 sounds, they're alternate ways. Okay. To know which one you need can be tricky, but what I want you to do once you've written your 5 for each, challenge yourself to see if you can find a rule or see if you can at least see what kind of words can go together. Okay, you've just got 15 seconds left now. 15 seconds left. Hope you've got 5 for each, should have 15 words altogether. And stop. Okay, so some different ideas here that we haven't done yet. We could have mow, we could have flow, we could have, did we have grow? Okay, so mow the grass, we could have flow, grow, we can have crow. It's a type of animal. There's 4 new ones there. Okay, and with um, split digraph. We could have zone. We could have drone. We could have prone. Again, they're all rhyming, okay? And any of the words back on the original list. Let me just go back to that list, let you see them. There we go. Again, any of those words, okay? I hope you had a go at finding some different ones there. Some different ones. And we could have had stow as well. That's one that I meant to write in here. If you stow something away. Okay, so OA, making the O sound. Okay, these are your first ones that you learned, like goat, boat, and then you've got road, toad. These are all the original ones that you learned. Okay. In here you could have had mode, mode, abode. That's what we call our houses sometimes, an abode. Okay, there we go. Goat, boat, road, toad, coat, float. Okay, these are all words with the OA sound. All right, so just from this, we can see again that the O, spelled O-double, is generally at the end of the word if there's no suffix. We've got the N, the consonant N in here, the consonant D, and then here we've got T at the end, goat, boat, road, toad, coat, float. All of these also have it in the middle, but have a consonant on each end. Okay, fabulous job today, everybody. Keep revising these sounds. Learn as many new words as you can. If there's any words that we've talked about today that you haven't yet understood or you don't know what they mean, please go and tell your teacher. Let's learn a new word today, something to add to our vocabulary. Okay, and I am going to say goodbye.